So using the doorbell, the positive and the negative from the lock switch is this one, the positive and negative, and then the positive and negative from the doorbell. I use the wiring goes to power supply controller, goes to positive 12 volts and then the ground. And then the yellow goes to push, and then the green one goes to ground. Yeah. And then the electric lock, the positive goes to plus no, and then the negative is minus com. The electric lock, the magnetic lock I mean, the positive goes to plus NC, and then the same as negative to minus com, and that's it. Using the arcade keypad, and then the electric lock is open. That's it.